In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter on your Chevy Cruze. It's located under the hood in the airbox. We're going to remove this, push in this tab here, and pull up. Pull that out, set it aside. Now that we remove this, we're going to go here to this hose clamp. It's a 7mm, or you could use a flathead screwdriver. You don't have to take it off, just loosen it. And now we're going to switch to a Phillips head screw gun or screwdriver. I'm going to start with this and loosen up the screws that are all the way around the perimeter of the airbox. These won't come out all the way, they just loosen and they stay set in there. Should be 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, and then one way down here. You're going to need a long Phillips head screwdriver to get to that. Now we're going to pick up on the airbox, remove the accordion hose, get that out of the way so you can get this up and over. You don't have to disconnect your connector or anything. If you got a screw that's holding on, just undo it. And pick this up and flip it over. You're going to push in on this and then push this way to pop it out. Let's install our new one. Place it in place. Get it lined up. Pinch those and push down. It should lock in place. As you push down on the air filter, like that. Make sure you clean out your box area. You don't want any nests or leaves in there. You can use a vacuum to clean it out if you need to. Now you're going to put this in. As you flip it over, make sure that this is connected first, and then line up all your screws. Do not tighten anything down until you are sure all your screws are lined up with the holes, and then you can tighten them down. I'm going to start with this one, the hardest one to get to. Switch to my screw gun. Let's tighten this down. Now we're going to put this back, line it up on this end first. Get it past this accordion hose, line up your airbox, and slide it into place. It should lock.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.